Hey, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. So today I am out at a state park doing what I am calling a day camp. It is not a park for tent or RV camping. So yeah, I brought out the Ozark Trail Tarp Shelter. So I'm just sitting up under that, relaxing, enjoying the mild weather that we finally got here in the Virginia area. It is a beautiful day. I think we are in the mid-80s, but nevertheless, I am enjoying the warmth of the sun. You hear me? I have a drone that I just received yesterday. I think it's the HoverAir X1. So yeah, I'm going to be playing around with that today. And I also have another drone that I purchased back here in the wintertime at Costco. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill out today and have some fun messing around with these drones. That is the plan. So you guys continue to stick around. I will be back. So I will be cooking some burgers. I just brought something simple to cook. Something that's to stay on the stove. So here I just made up some coleslaw. I love coleslaw on everything. It's so good. This burger with coleslaw is really good. Even better on hot dogs. If you're from the South, you know what I'm talking about. Sorry. So I decided to take a little walk to burn off some of these carbs, but what a beautiful day to hang out at the park. We could have not asked for a more beautiful Sunday. If you're not out here reconnecting with nature, reconnecting with yourself, what are you waiting for? I know the joy and the peace and the serenity that it brings to me. It makes me feel like God is saying, you know what? You got it right. You are on the right path. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.